If you represent your country with a dignified, disciplined, and determined, purposeful way, you will find that hundreds of others will be able to gain. $14,932 Jamaicans are currently registered on the social pension program. Beginning this month, beneficiaries will receive an increase of over 76% in their bi-monthly benefits, moving from $6,800 to $12,000, Mr.
Speaker. Effective the 1st of June, the national minimum wage will increase from $30,000 per 40-hour week to $15,000.
With this MOU, we are going to change the mindset and the attitude. We are going to provide more skills training. In terms of this partnership today, I know that we will be facilitating the disbursement of £160,000, part of a larger £500,000 regional effort to assist more than 2,000 Jamaicans affected by Hurricane Beryl. There is a need for the government to establish that as we give, we can account for what we give. We focus on giving support to those who need the support to weather life's storms, whether it is unexpected loss of a job, whatever it is. This project Spiral promises to help us in our effort to ensure that no one is left behind.